only way a YouTube channel grows is if you upload videos that people want to watch. I don't know what your schedule is like, but you will decide on a schedule and then you'll start uploading these videos, and then your channel will grow when people get the videos that they want to watch on your channel. Sometimes you don't have the energy, sometimes you're tired, sometimes you're just plain lazy. I had one of those days and I had to upload a video. And today I want to show you one of the laziest way you can make a video and continue keeping your schedule going and get nice views. This fun sounds bust song that I've created on Canva was one of the laziest ways I've made a video. So I just want to show you how it looks like, and then we can jump right in on our shout out and we'll jump on Canva.
Swish, hop on board, let's make a wish. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
Our shout out today goes to a channel called Kidless Original. Shout out to you guys. Well done on starting a YouTube channel for the kids and parents. It looks awesome. I have subscribed, but shout out to you. Keep on going. So let's go on Canva. One of the easiest and laziest ways that you could create this is you need a Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, you can create one. There's a link in the description. This way, unfortunately, needs you to have a Canva Pro account or use external websites that I'm going to show you. But everything starts with a song. So you need an idea and go create a song. So let's start with an idea. A couple of my videos that are doing very well are these videos that have the old rhymes, the nursery rhymes. I've checked on the internet as well as on ChatGPT. Some of these nursery rhymes are public domain, and I've created a video about that. And you can use them. If you change the lyrics and remix it, you're good to go. So one of my videos that's really doing well is the Old MacDonald Had a Farm video that I've created. So it's one of my popular videos, and I have like 21k views in 2 months. The latest one that I've created yesterday is the wheels on the bus, and I got 480 views for 22 hours. For a tiny channel like mine, this is very good. So it starts with an idea, but let's do together a row, row your boat song. So we're gonna ask ChatGPT to write a row, row the boat. So we're gonna say the tool to write lyrics for us for row, row, row the boat using the pirates hunting treasure idea. And then it starts writing the lyrics for us. It's a tiny little song. So if you want to repeat this, you could. Then you're going to copy the song like so. Right click and copy. And then you're going to go to suno.ai and you're going to paste the lyrics there. The song is about 821 words. So if you want to repeat this, you could go, let's do it again, or let's go again, and then you paste. And then it's 1663. So we want the style of music to be fun, interactive, kids rhyme. Music is downloaded, then we move over to Canva, and then we upload the music to our uploads. Great stuff. Then you're going to add your music, and this is going to guide how you create this video. You listen to the lyrics. You can always go and see what the lyrics say, because this is what's going to guide the creation of your video. It starts by saying row, row, row the boat across the ocean blue, but at the beginning of it, there's going to be an introduction that you need to do on the video that you have. So before they start singing, we need to introduce our video. Then we add very cool text, or you press T for text, and then you go look for a font that could suit the pirates theme that we have on, like this one. Adventurous is the font that I just got that I thought, ooh, it goes very well with the theme that we're going to run with. And awesome. I like it. I just don't like the white. I'll think about what I want to do with the white. Next, you're going to listen to the song and you're going to go to your videos and you're going to look for videos that will suit the song that you're creating. So he's starting by saying, row, row, row your boat across the ocean blue. So we're going to go back to our Canva and we're going to look for pirates ships that are being rowed, pirates cartoon. This is why you need a Canva Pro account. If you don't have a Canva Pro, please use Pixabay or Pixels or Mixkit to look for videos that will suit what you're creating. That's the laziest, easiest way that you can do this. So we want videos about rowing a boat. We're going to use this pirate sometime in our video, and a video that looks something like this. With the buses, I got a lot of bus videos, and when I go to my recommendation, I got even more. So it's pirates, they are rowing in, laziest way to make a video. The other thing that I would use are the graphics. So say for example, I'm looking for graphics that are animated. I would select graphics and then I would choose animated. And then I can use some of the graphics that are there as part of my animation. Where he's singing about the flag, I'm going to add this as a flag. And I can even animate it that it pulses like that. And when he's singing about the flag, it then comes in.
Timbers, hoist up the flag, sing with the crew and grab your bag.
One of the scenes, you can create something that makes sense to you. Like for example, you can add water and you can add a boat and add a pirate and a bird. And then you can add the yo-yo and make your own little scenes in between. But once you're done and the song has gotten to the end of it, like at the end, it says,
Tonight, let's do it again, Nick.
So when he says, let's do it again, you're going to go to your grid view and you highlight all of your slides, because he says the exact same thing on the second part of the song. You duplicate and then you have a song that's a little bit longer than a minute. And when he says, let's do it again, he says the exact same thing until the end and you add your subscribe. So let's have a listen.
Well, and coins shining bright, sailing together from morning to night. Let's do it again, Nick. Row, row, row your boat across the ocean blue. Raise the sail, catch the wind, there's treasure to pursue. Yo ho, off we go.
Friends, that's it. I want you to have a look at the final product, a little clip of it. You can watch the full thing on Zoe's Corner.
Row, row, row your boat across the ocean blue. Raise the sail, catch the wind, there's treasure to pursue. Yo ho, off we go, maps and clues in hand. X marks the spot, dig, 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 gold is in the sand. Shiver me timbers, hoist up the flag, sing with the crew and grab your tip.
And that's how you create these quick videos that are very cool and kids would love.